Meet Yousef. Yousef is a young boy. He likes fast things. Fast cars, fast games, fast everything. He does not like to wait. He wants everything now. If he has to wait, he feels angry. He gets upset very easily. One day, at school, Yousef gets a small seed. His teacher helps him plant it. She gives him a small pot with soil. They put the tiny seed inside the soil. Yousef looks at the pot. He stares at the brown soil. He waits. Nothing happens. Not a thing. The next day, Yousef runs to his pot. He looks closely. He checks the soil again. Is there a plant? No. Still nothing. Yousef feels upset. He stomps his foot. I want my plant now, he says. He feels very angry. Waiting is so hard. His teacher sees him. She smiles a warm, kind smile. She tells him good things need time to grow. You need to wait and care for it. Yousef listens. He is not sure, but he wants to try. So, Yousef takes a small watering can. He gently waters the soil. He makes sure it is not too wet and not too dry. Then, he waits. He waits one whole day. It feels very long. He waits 2 days. He starts to feel bored. Waiting is not fun at all. He just wants to see something green. Then, one morning, something amazing happens. Yousef goes to check his pot, just like every other day. But this day is different. He sees something. A tiny, little green sprout is pushing up through the soil. It is so small, but it is there. Yousef is so surprised. A huge smile spreads across his face. He feels proud. So proud. He did it. From that day on, Yousef takes care of his plant every single day. He waters it carefully. He makes sure it gets enough sunlight. The plant grows, but it grows very slowly. A little bit one day, a little bit the next. Yousef learns to watch it. He learns to wait. And a funny thing happens. As he waits for his plant, he starts to feel calm. He is not angry anymore. He discovers that waiting is not so bad after all. Weeks go by. The little sprout is not little anymore. The plant grows tall and strong. Yousef watches as small buds appear. Then, one day, the buds open. The plant has beautiful flowers. They are bright and colorful. Yousef feels so happy. He looks at his tall plant with its lovely flowers, and he feels a great sense of achievement. He did it. He grew this plant all by himself. Yousef starts to think about his life. He thinks about all the times he was angry because he had to wait. Now he understands. Good things, like his beautiful plant, take time. They don't happen in a second. You need to be patient. You need to care. This new understanding makes him feel wise. The next time he sees his teacher, he runs to her. Thank you, he says with a big smile. He shows her a picture of his flower. His teacher is very proud of him. Yousef smiles a lot more now. He finds that he can wait for his turn in a game. He can wait for his mom to finish talking on the phone. He is better at waiting now. He feels proud of himself again, not just for the plant, but for changing. Patience makes things grow. Plants grow, and people grow too. Yousef learned a very important lesson. Now, whenever he feels a little impatient, he looks at his beautiful plant. He remembers the small seed. He remembers the long wait. He remembers the joy of seeing the first green sprout. The plant is a reminder to's beautiful, and it helped him find a calm, happy feeling inside himself. Waiting didn't just grow a plant, It changed Yousef. And now, Yousef is a happy, patient boy.